Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register a trademark in the USPTO. First, understand that a trademark protects your brand's name, logo, or slogan, distinguishing your goods or services. Next, conduct a thorough search using the USPTO test database to ensure your proposed mark isn't already in use. This crucial step helps avoid potential conflicts and saves time and money later on. Finally, gather all necessary details for your application. Once prepared, you'll choose the appropriate application form, typically the TEAS Plus or TEAS standard, based on your filing basis. Accurately describe the specific goods or services your trademark will cover using the USPTO Acceptable Identification Manual. This clarity is vital for the scope of your protection. Finally, submit your completed application electronically and pay the required filing fees, which can vary depending on the number of classes. After submission, an examining attorney at the USPTO will review your application for compliance with all legal requirements. They might issue an office action if there are issues, which you must respond to promptly. If approved, your mark will be published in the official Gazette, allowing third parties a 30-day window to oppose its registration. This period ensures public awareness and fairness in the trademark system. If no opposition is filed or if it's successfully overcome, you'll receive your certificate of registration, officially granting you federal trademark rights. Remember, registration isn't forever. You must maintain your trademark by filing required declarations of use and renewal applications at specific intervals, typically every 5 to 6 years, then every 10 years. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.